Hi guys, hope you're doing well. I am gonna go for just a little thrifting trip, but I want to show you what I am wearing today. So this little white exercise dress is from Halara. Whenever I did that like review video, this is when I got that one, and probably my favorite dress that I've gotten from them. It does have built-in shorts here as well and bra cups, so it's just super comfortable, easy throw on piece. And then I wanted to have like a layer piece to just throw over top. So I got this really oversized men's, it's a light blue and pink striped button-up shirt. This is thrifted from a long time ago, so I just threw that over top. For shoes, I went for my red Mary Janes. These are from Vivaya, very comfortable for a fun pop of color. This mama necklace is from Ana Luisa, and then this tag necklace is from Missouri. And then I just have some cute little heart studs on. I think I took these from my mom's jewelry collection, but that, and then just a little tennis bracelet that I wear all the time. And then since I am taking my son with me, I have a 2-year-old, I'm just gonna bring my little mini backpack. This is just a nylon one that I carry around a lot of times, just like a little diaper bag. So yeah, that is the outfit. So I'm trying out a different location of a Goodwill this time, so hopefully this one is okay, but I don't have anything specific that I'm looking for. I'm just gonna make it not so much of an extensive trip. I'll probably just look at like tops, dresses, and skirts. I would love to find a skirt that is like a jersey knit that's a little bit more slim and not like super voluminous or something, but like a maxi length. And then I am still on the lookout for a pair of higher heels, preferably closed-toed. Aside from that, I don't have any specific like design that I'm looking for. I just feel like I'll know when I see it. And then of course I'll look at the kids' clothes because I always like to get stuff for my son there, and then he keeps asking me for a monster truck, so I'm gonna see if they have one and maybe that'll make his day. This looks like a bridal corset, but I thought it was really pretty. It's like an off-the-shoulder kind of thing, but cute. Not my size though. There's also something about this that I really like. It looks very classic and I like the shape of it. I think it might be too small for me because it's a 6 though. My arms probably won't fit. I'm trying this over top of the dress that I already had on, but this is, I think, from the Target collab, the Future Collective one. It's cute. It's kind of given like silky puff, but I don't know. Might be a little bit too much for me. This was such a cute little vintage dress. I really liked the color and the style of it, but unfortunately it's a bit too snug for me. It's like pulling on all the buttons, so that's gonna be a no. I don't know, it just feels like too much fabric, too much of a busy print. Maybe if it was a shorter dress I would like it better, but it's okay. I don't hate it, but I don't love it either. This is actually a little vintage 2-piece set, which I think is really cute. The skirt is over here. It does have a little bit of like a sparkle, but I love the scallop detail here and the cut of it, that it goes up high and buttons down. It's very comfortable. I think it's gonna be a nice like lightweight layer. So I actually really like this. I think I'm gonna get this one. All right, so thrift haul time. I did manage to pick up a couple things. I'm most excited about these shoes. I managed to find a silver Mary Jane pump. So cute. These are Steve Madden and they're like in really good condition, and very shocked to be able to find this. I feel like they're very like on trend right now, but also I think they can be pretty timeless. I feel like they always come back around and around. So very happy with these. I think these are just gonna be a great addition to any outfit. Just kind of like adds that sparkle and shine. I did find also a very basic stretchy jersey knit maxi skirt. I decided to go for navy. I do have like a black maxi skirt, so I thought, you know, this could be something a little bit different, something very comfy but also looks pretty chic. And then I did show this 2-piece set in the try-on when I went to the fitting rooms. I put my son down for a nap and then went back out, so that's why I was able to go to the fitting room. Otherwise I'm usually not able to. So it's this little crop jacket, and it has this kind of glittery embellishments on it as well, and came as a set. So this is the little skirt that it came with, and I thought was really cute as well. This is kind of a wild card random purchase, but I found this top. So it's a bright pink, but it is fully crochet lace and has these really big balloon sleeves. and I thought this was really fun. Something about it could be a really fun styling piece, so I wanted to pick that up. It does have buttons that go all the way up the front and closes up here as a high neck. You could obviously wear it open. Yeah, it's just one of those pieces that I was just really drawn to and felt like it could be a really fun statement item. Here's how that pink lace top looks over top of the dress that I was wearing. I love the sleeves. I feel like they're so fun, and because it has all these holes, like they're definitely very airy and get a nice breeze in there. But yeah, I like it a lot. So that's all for this little thrift haul. Yeah, I feel pretty good about this. I'm super excited about these shoes. I feel like I'm gonna be able to wear this with like everything. Hi, good morning guys, how are you doing? I am going to start off with what I'm wearing today. This is a little vintage top that I thrifted a little while back, and I decided to wear it open today, kind of like as like a third layer. So I've got a little tank top underneath. This one is just from Target. It's got like a contrast band here, and then some black shorts as well, also thrifted originally from Loft. Very simple, but I feel like it looks pretty like chic and classic. I just have my slippers on since I'm just at home, and I don't think I'm going to be leaving the house today, but I did want to share with you guys. I got a package from Halara, which I've worked with them a couple times already in the past, so they sent me a couple more items, and I wanted to do like a little mini review in this vlog. I'll link my other like full review that I did up here, so you can watch that one if you want to get to know my full thoughts about the brand and everything. But I want to go ahead and open that up and see what we've got. So yes, this video is also in collaboration with them, so I'll be sure to link all of the items that I got down below, and I'll try them on and like talk about it and everything. So I picked up two of the tops this time around. This is kind of like boat neck, off the shoulder. You can kind of wear it like different ways shirt, and it's got some ruching on the side. I actually got this in black in a size medium in a previous time, so this time I decided to get large just because I felt like I wanted it to be a little bit like looser, so I went with the cream color on that one. Super soft material. And then this one is a little bit more of like an exercise type of material. It's kind of similar to their dresses. This is a long sleeve top that crosses here at the front at the bust, and then it does kind of open like this. Kind of thought that would be cute if I was wearing like a high-waisted skirt or something like that. Kind of reminds me a little bit of like a ballet-ish style. And then for the bottoms, this is, excuse all the wrinkles, but this is actually a pair of shorts, but it has a wrap style flap here in the front that kind of makes it look like a ruffle skirt. And I got it in this bright orange because I thought that would be fun. So that's the back here. You can see that it's shorts. I don't know if this might be a little too short for what I would typically wear, but I thought this could be cute for the summer. And even if it is too short, like a good bathing suit cover up probably, I could use that as that. It's not too bad. It's not as short as I was thinking it was gonna feel. It is a bit of like a thinner jersey material, so very comfortable. Feels like a lounge short basically. But I think with this kind of design or style, I would feel more comfortable if the fabric was like a little bit thicker and not so like, I don't know, showy, I think. So maybe that's just me. But it is cute. I like the color and I like the design of it. Now this is a pair of pants that also has a wrap front. So if I hold it up here, I don't know if you can really see, but it's got a flap here at the front that wraps here and ties with these ties, and they're just kind of like loose trouser pants, but I really liked the design of it. And I got it in this khaki army green color because I thought this just looked very chic and classy. And so the material on this one feels more like a suiting material, but it does have an elastic here in the back to kind of be a little bit more comfortable, and then it is very flowy. Of course, this could definitely be dressed up, but I think it could also be worn casually, and that's what I really like about Halara stuff, is that they're really comfortable, so you can just wear them like around the house and just doing normal life things, but yet they look pretty elevated and like you could wear them dressed up as well. Okay, these pants I absolutely love. I love the design, I love the color, I love the fit of them. The material is so nice as well. Feels very like breezy, and it just feels very luxe. I don't know how else to explain it, but I love the feel of it. And it does actually have a little bit of stretch to it as well, but it does also have a zipper on the side. If you're petite like me, I'm only 5'2", I will probably have to hem these though because they're a little bit long. This is my first pair of denim that I'm trying from them. So they have this like magic denim or whatever that's like very stretchy material but looks like denim, and so they have a lot of different styles, but I wanted to get something that didn't look too much like a jegging, you know. So this one actually does have buttons, and I think that helps a lot to make it not look like a pair of leggings that are trying to be jeans, you know. And then all of the stitching and stuff, and then this one is a bit of a wider leg as well. I am interested about the fit of these. I don't know how it's gonna work out, so we'll have to see in the try on. Okay, I don't really know how I feel about these, honestly. I think I like them. That's where I'm at. They are definitely more comfy than like a regular stiff pair of denim, which I appreciate because most of the reason why I don't love wearing jeans that much is because of that. I will say that I think this is a little bit looser than I feel like it should be. Maybe I would have sized down. I did get a large, but I'm not really utilizing the stretch here, so I feel like it does kind of like get a little baggy here and like even here above the butt. But I really like the shape of the leg on this and the design elements, like I said, like the buttons and the seams and the pockets that are functional. Like I think that's really nice about it, like gives it a really nice well-made quality to it. And then I did get a couple of dresses this time as well. So another one of their exercise workout dresses, but this one is in a bright red. I wanted to get a red color. I thought that would be really fun for the summer. And then this one actually has this cute cutout back to it. So it's got the straps here like this and then a twist in the back here. And it does have a built-in bra, like bra cups. So you don't have to worry about bra showing like with a back like this. And then this one also does have shorts. This one has like their easy off system basically. So you're supposed to be able to just like go to the bathroom easier by taking this off, because the other ones are like fully one piece and you have to like strip down the whole thing to go to the restroom. So I'm interested to see how that works out. They also have this like strap style in like their sports bra or like a top. So I do have that and I really liked it. So I thought I would really like it in the dress form as well. So I got that in a large. The next two are not quite appropriate for this time of year. It's gonna be too hot to wear this, but I am definitely gonna save these and hold on to them for the fall. Maybe I can get away with this one around the house or something, I don't know, but I really wanted to try this one. It's like a hoodie dress, really cute brown color, but I really loved the design of it. So it kind of like balloons out at the top here and then comes in at the waist and at the skirt part. It is a shorter length, so that's why I said it could possibly work. And the material is very soft and slinky and super stretchy and feels very cooling to the touch. I don't know. I really like the material on this one. I feel like that feels so buttery soft. Like I said, I definitely love the material of this. I feel like it feels so soft and like silky. Love the design. I think this is so unique, like how billowy and drapey it is up here. I do feel a little like self-conscious about this area just because it is more fitted. So I feel like I need some shorts or like shapewear or something. It is a little bit short for like what I typically wear, so that's the only other thing, but I think it's really cute. The last dress that I grabbed is also in a brown, but this is their rib knit dress that does have the built-in cups here as well. This one has a square neck and then the long sleeves. So I do have their black one, but in the spaghetti strap version, and I really liked it. It was super stretchy and comfortable. I did get that in a size large and I felt like the bust didn't have enough support for me, so I did decide to get a medium in this. So we'll see how that goes. This one also has a lot of stretch to the fabric, so I felt like would probably be okay there. So this one definitely feels tighter than the large in the other style, but I also don't know if it's because this one has actual full sleeves to it, but I do feel like, you know, the support is there. So I don't know if it's like I could have gotten away with a large because of the sleeves on this. Either way, they both work, so it's not the end of the world. I do like the color of this one. It looks very chic and has a nice rib knit material to it. Those are all the pieces that I got this time around and I'm excited to wear. Like I said, I'll leave all the links below for you guys, as well as my discount code that you can use so you can get some money off. So that'll all be in the description box below, so make sure you check it out. Morning guys, about to head out the door. We're gonna do like a little play date thing with a couple other kids and then it will just be able to run around and have fun. But this is my outfit that I'm gonna be wearing today. I decided to go for a hat. This is just a Calvin Klein tan one, a little white tank top on. This is a Madewell one that I thrifted. And then over top of that, this is a little linen button-up shirt that is from Target this year. And then these navy wide leg pants are from Halara. They're super high-waisted and they have buttons up the front here. And then they also have these front pockets. So I really like these. I feel like they kind of look like trousers from further away, but they feel like leggings. And then I just decided to wear some sandals with these. So these are just my braided sandals from Target quite a while back. I've been really wanting to get some Birkenstocks again. I used to have some, at least like a knockoff version anyway, and I've been really feeling like I'm missing that in my closet, just like a really casual chunky sandal. That might be something I'm gonna add sometime soon. Accessories wise, other than the hat, I decided to go for a tote bag today. This is a woven one that I thrifted. Simple jewelry as usual, my moon necklace from Pascal James, and then just little hoops from Ana Luisa. So that's the full outfit. Can't leave just yet because I'm waiting for banana bread to be done. I was baking some banana bread. It still needs a few more minutes. So we're gonna wait for that and then we'll head out the door. Morning, we are going to the farmer's market today. It's Saturday morning, so we're gonna make a whole little family trip out of it. So I think that'll be fun. I decided to bust out the ruffly orange shorts from the most recent Halara review that I just showed, and then just kept it more casual with a little graphic t-shirt. This is a super old one, but still going strong. My little crochet bag here. This is a thrifted one that I've had for quite a long time. My simple little braided sandals from Target, and then these sunglasses actually are also from Target. These are current favorite sunglasses right now. I really love the shape of these and like how bubbly they are. And I like the fact that they're like black and brown because they kind of go with everything. And then these hoops are actually also from Target. And then I have my moon necklace from Pascal James as usual, as well as my tennis bracelet. Well, this is the outfit and I'm gonna go ahead and head out. Alright guys, I'm gonna sign off the vlog here. I know it's a little bit all over the place, kind of chaotic just because I've been taking little clips here and there and putting it all together. And again, don't forget to check out Halara. I have them linked below as well as all the items and my discount code so you can use that. But that is gonna be it for me. I will see you guys in the next video. Hope you guys have a great day. Bye!